Everyone, it's Muriel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to come on and show you the things that I have made for my swap partner. We're doing a Halloween swap. Her name is Luisa, My Crafty Boutique on YouTube. We do Halloween swaps every year. We've probably done them for the last 7 years, and they always have a theme. We've done Tussie Mussies. We've done altered witches. We've done altered coffins, skulls. We've done, you name it, and we have done it. So this year I said to her, why don't we just do a Halloween trick-or-treat basket? That's it. And you can put in the basket whatever you want. So I want to share with you guys what I have put in her basket. And I won't go into details because she will open it once she gets it, and then you can just visit her channel. But for starters, I took one of those plastic containers you get at the Dollar Tree, and I altered the top of this box using the Happy Haunting collection. These are some brooms that I ordered on Ally, I believe, a couple of years ago. So really cute, just use a little bit of everything. And then you open up the sides, and I followed a tutorial over on Bona's channel. Hi, Bona. Of these candy bar treats, right? Oh my gosh, this has got to be a classic. I think I'm going to make some of these for some friends. I just have to. They're so cute. Again, I try to just keep it simple. Put a little thing on the back, and inside is some treats for her. Again, you can go over to her channel when she airs the video and see in detail. I have some shred in here. This is the beautiful shred from Tony with Craft Purge. She isn't making it this year. I thought I would try to make some for some other Happy Mail that I'm going to be sending. I might, but she did say it's very messy, so that scares me. Anyway, here's the second one that I made. Again, I'm using some of that mesh from the Dollar Tree. I just cut off a piece. I used to use this for my wreaths, but it really is not a high quality mesh, but certainly for the way we use it, it is. I used label. I used some eyelash trim, some orange felt, and again, put another sticker on the back. So Bona, thank you for that idea. This is the best. So that's one of the things I'm giving to her. I'm also going to be gifting her, of course, a card, right? It's still closed. And I altered this bag. This paper bag or plastic bag came from Dollar Tree. This is a topper of a bag topper that someone gifted to me some time ago. I could not throw it away. So I ripped it off of the packaging and I attached this skeleton. You can see I put a hat on her head. I picked those up at Ben Franklin years ago. There's a little pink bow. I put a heart on her chest and a little tulle skirt. And what a great way to alter a bag. Okay, and then there's some goodies inside. Here is a bag that I'm gifting her. You've seen these candy poppers that I made for her, for everyone, with the shred, and I did a little cute little embellishment on the side, and then I'm using a bow that was gifted to me from someone else. But this here is a tag that I redid. Someone had gifted me this tag, so I added a bow, what is that, a spider. This was also part of a packaging someone gifted me, and then I just put some trim on the bottom. So that's the tag there, and then her two candy boxes. So I'm like I said, this is a use my stash kind of thing. There's something in here, but I created a small milk carton. And I'm using the new paper from Simply Vintage by Fancy Pants? No, by, oh, who is that by? I can't even think right now who is it by. But this is a tutorial I found over on YouTube for a mini milk carton box. Oh, this one I'm really proud of. This, let me get another one out. I'll show it to you empty. This was purchased at Dollar Tree. You know, it's that pencil case. And I trying to find someone who had altered it. Only one I found was Bona. So I just kind of altered mine. I wanted to use this glitter spider. Here's a huge web that I have. I covered it up on top of some pumpkin paper. And then I have Happy Halloween from the paper collection that I've been using, Hate Pumpkin. And then her goodies are inside, but I use one of those Hobby Lobby clasp. This is a Art Eye Cake charm. You remember those? I still have hundreds. And then I created this little dangle from a bead mix from Michael's. I picked up last year. These here. So it came with some eyeballs and things like that. And then I just made this tassel using the trims from Michael's that I picked up, Halloween trim. So that's my way of altering this, but once she twists it, it has goodies inside. And then, of course, I'm giving her a witch hat that I made. I made several of those. These are the no-sew witch hats, although this one is a no-sew. But then I eventually started sewing them because I didn't like using the glue. And I altered the treat bags. I showed you these. But I saw someone that put some little jemmies on her boot, so I'm going to do that. And this has some goodies inside. No candy, but it has some treats, so you'll have to see her channel. This is another goodie inside, and I'm just using a bow that someone made for me, and I covered a orange spider web on top and then put a jeweled spider. This is a plastic bag from the Dollar Tree. And I packaged up this here. This is, I showed on my Instagram, altered the, I don't know if it's a cigar box, and put some goodies inside, and just using the word spooky on top of this bag topper. And then put a sticker on the back that says, Hey Pumpkin, and it says, Luisa, my crafty boutique, beware. And I am gifting her one of these hand sanitizer boxes. Well, it's the sanitizer's inside, but the box is a tutorial I found over on the Paper Pixies channel. Adorable. So I'm definitely going to be gifting these at work. I think they are just the cutest things. And then I have some goodies in this bag here. So that's my share, you guys. That's what I'm going to be sharing with her. Of course, this won't be posted until after she gets it, so that if you don't follow her, you'll be able to see what I shared with her for our annual Halloween swap. So thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Bye now.